Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a Target dollar spot dupe, and it's the infamous ladder that everybody's been raving about on all social medias. I would be showing you how I made my version of it. I know it had something like this that was all over YouTube last year, which was the tea towel ladder, I think. And I haven't seen anybody do this piece, this newer version of the ladder yet. This is my version of it because I don't have a Target anywhere close to me, so I have to recreate this piece because I absolutely love it a lot. Also, if you love seeing these types of videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I will be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. Those are my new time compared to Tuesdays and Fridays only, because I have a lot of collabs and challenges that will be corresponding with the new dates. So with that being said, let's jump right into this tutorial. I begin this project with my cedar strip, my 1-inch cedar strips, and I took my mitre box and I cut it down to size. I would have the measurements in the description. I took some sandpaper and sanded down the edges that I just cut. I love the fact that this piece of strip looked rustic and beat up and all those good stuff. Once you stain it, it would look absolutely gorgeous. I'm using my brown shoe polish to stain the space, and also a piece of napkin to wipe off the excess stain, because for some reason this color stain looked gorgeous on the wood. I ran out of brown paint because that's another option for stain, because stain is pretty expensive here. I then measured where exactly I need to place the 4 pieces of the steps for the ladder, and I marked it off with a pencil. I tried to get it as even as possible. I took the 2 pieces and placed them together and marked the second piece of the strip, so that they would be as symmetrical as possible. I then took my wood glue, my Dunlop wood glue, and some hot glue, and I placed it on my markings, and I hold it down for a few minutes just for the hot glue to dry until the wood glue is completely dried. The first step was a little bit of a hassle, but I did get it to stay after a while. And for reinforcements, I took some nails from this picture hanging kit and I placed 2 on either side. I wanted this piece to be as sturdy as possible. If you like these types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up, and also share with your friends and family, because it really do help me out a lot. I was getting a little bit of trouble with this 4th nail, but I end up getting him in there. This is a very super easy and quick DIY, and I absolutely love the new stuff that they are bringing out at the Target dollar spots. So much inspiration. I just absolutely wish we had one of those stores here in the Caribbean. I just continued placing the steps up the pieces until it was completely finished. I then took my cotton twine and I made 2 pom-poms and a big whole needle and some large pom-poms and mini pom-poms, and I just thread those on to make a pom-pom garland. And it's pretty simple. I just threaded on one color of the pom-pom. I'm using red, white, and pink for Valentine's Day. And I just threaded on the larger one. It was easy for the large ones, but it was more of a struggle for the smaller ones. I placed 3 of the tiny ones onto the twine and 1 of the larger one, switching out the colors as I go until I was all filled up with all of the pom-poms. I try to evenly space them as well, but not leaving as much space too, so where you can see the twine. Once I was done stringing on, I just stringed the thread off, and I tied each of the pom-pom to each end of the string and trimmed those down as well. You can add some hot glue to further secure it, but that wasn't necessary here. And that's it for these 2 quick and simple easy DIYs. I just styled it with some Valentine's Day decor. You can use these, you can use the ladder for throughout the year to decorate for each season, or you can leave as is. You can also paint it if you see fit, but I absolutely love how it turned out stained, and I love this little gorgeous tassel pom-pom garland that I made as well. So thank you so much for watching. I would see you guys in the next one. Bye.